Today, health and university leaders throughout Alabama gathered to announce the new Guidesafe platform that will be used to try to keep students and staff safe as they go back to college campuses. It consists of apps that will allow students to report if they have COVID symptoms and will also notify you if you've had exposure to someone who tested positive. Also, free COVID testing will be available for all private and public university students starting tomorrow. Students need to get tested before returning to campus.
And it is the largest scale higher education testing initiative in the nation. We will test upward of 200,000 college students over the next 4 weeks as we return to our campuses.
This was all made possible by more than $30 million in CARES Act funding. Although the focus is on universities now, they are hoping that the Guidesafe platform is something that will be available to everyone eventually. You can learn more about Guidesafe on RocketCityNow.com.